Hi class, how are you? Welcome to the first session. Please listen carefully because there's a mistake. In the 3 sessions I write page 43, it's not page 43, it's page 46, unit 8, going away, about travel and holidays. The first thing that we are going to do is look at the pictures. There's different pictures about families traveling abroad and people traveling abroad everywhere. And this is vocabulary about airport and we're going to listen a conversation and you have to check exercise 1 and 2. Ready?
25.
I don't want to go to Barcelona.
Oh, come on, Salman, why not?
I don't want to fly in case there's a crash.
Don't be silly. Flying's safe. You should be excited. It'll be fun.
Why? Our flight's at 2 o'clock, but we have to be at the airport at 11. Waiting for 3 hours isn't fun.
Yes, but we'll be busy before we board the plane.
Why?
We have to check in at the check-in desk. They check our passports and tickets and they take our luggage. Then they give us boarding passes and we go through the security check. Security look at what passengers are taking onto the plane, just in case someone tries to take something dangerous.
Like what?
Like a knife. Then there's passport control.
Passport control? Why do they need to control our passports?
They don't. They just check the passports. After that, we have to wait for our flight and departures, and you can go shopping with Mum. Half an hour before the flight, we go to the departure gate.
How do we know where to go?
We follow the signs to the right departure gate. Then we show our boarding passes and our passports.
And do we board the plane then?
Well, yes, but we might have to wait in a queue for a few minutes first.
Oh, it's so complicated.
Maybe, but you'll enjoy the flight, Salman. Taking off is fun, and you can sit next to the window. And after a couple of hours, we'll be in Barcelona.
What happens then?
After we land, we have to go through passport control.
But we had to go through passport control in Manchester.
Well, they check the passports again, just in case. Then we collect our cases and backpacks in the baggage hall and we go through customs.
What's customs?
There are lots of rules about things you mustn't take to other countries. Customs officers look inside some people's bags and check.
Oh, and is there another security check in Barcelona?
No.
Why are you laughing?
The flight will be fun, but the things we have to do before and after the flight aren't fun. Track 1.26.
Okay, now you have to check what does Ali realize at the end of the conversation and choose the correct answers in exercise 2. After this, please, you have to look at the vocabulary, backpack, passport, passport control, queue, sign, ticket, and check the definitions on page 132 at the end of your book. You read the definitions. If you have any question, you can Google it, and later you have to answer exercise 4. Describe what you do at the airport. So think about travel. For example, when you went to Paris, and you have to write like a description. When you arrive at the airport, first you go to the check-in desk and show your passport. Later you go to, so try to review this order and answer the questions. When you finish, I think it's a lot of work, but you go to page, it's not 45, it's 45, and you have an informal letter or email. You have to read exercise 1, so here it's about a boy that he's going to visit Manchester the next days, and in exercise 2 you have the answer. The idea is that you read this And you have to create your own email. So think about, I don't know, a friend that is coming to visit you in Tarragona, in Catllà, and plan the advice. Advice is that you have to use the modal verbs that you can give him about his trip. Yeah, this is exercise 5 and 6. And that's all. It must have around 8 lines, 10 lines, okay? 120 words. And that's all. See you next class.